Luna Classic is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were testing these exponential moving averages, and I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very important for Luna Classic to actually maintain this level for that bullish move to the possible 29 level. You can see as of right now, we did get two candlestick break formations, and now currently the exponential moving averages are once again pushing lower, and we are heading to retest this support level at 22. Now there are two possible case scenarios here, and I'm leaning towards the first one, which is a bearish case scenario, because of the fact that we have already tested this support level and the bulls actually tried to break above that level but failed and rejected below. Retesting this support level again would become the fourth test. You can see we had two tests over here. This was that third test confirmation, and this was a fake out liquidity grab, and now we are heading into that fourth test. Ideally, that take profit level on that fourth test should be around this level here at the lows of 18, which we have still yet to test. I mentioned this to you guys many times before, even when we saw this liquidation candle to the downside, the fact that I would be much more comfortable entering these long positions around this 18 mark because of the fact that this is a good area for that bounce. Ideally, you can see that we had some sort of situation here prior. We saw the same sort of liquidation candle, a retest with the highs trapping a lot of traders, and then the possible move to the downside. We can see the same sort of formation here where we actually had that same sort of candlestick, a possible move, and then the move to the downside. Ideally though, the BART formation should be completed once we hit this level here at 18, but on the worst case scenario, of course, our overall support here is at 14. The reason why that 14 level is so important is because that's pretty much where we saw that move to the upside, right? This is where we saw that breakout formation. You can see we actually tested this level multiple times, and then we finally saw that move set, and this level acted as a very strong resistance for Luna Classic many times. That would be ideal case scenario from the bearish perspective, but now from the bullish perspective, as long as we hold above that 22 support level, we have a good tracement to continue higher. Ideally, if we can hold that 22 level and get that confirmation on multiple time frames, we can see for the possibility of one last leg up hitting around that 29 to the 31 mark. On the lower time frames, you can see that we are still below the exponential moving averages, but we are seeing a sort of consolidation in the medium term. You can see that ideally from before, we did see many tests of this level right over here. We see a nice bullish engulfing candle and then that retest to the highs, and we are seeing the same sort of test being created here at the 23 mark. The only difference, of course, is that this 23 mark is acting as a very strong resistance on the lower time frames, so we have to be very careful and look for that move on the bullish momentum candle, break above these exponential moving averages, and then find that consolidation. If we can try to break above that move and actually start to consolidate much higher, so around this 24-25, then we might have a possible time frame for the lower time frames to actually see that massive move to the upside. But of course, right now things are looking extremely bearish, guys. We look at the 4 hour for that move set overall and the 1 hour for the entries, and right now the 4 hour is saying that Luna Classic will be retesting this 22 level, so things are about to become very interesting. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have